Hi everyone. This is the Harley-Davidson Night Rod. But not the one you've seen before. This Night Rod was completely rebuilt, reimagined, and transformed into something entirely different. The workshop behind this project is the legendary DD Designs, also known as Devin Diego Designs, from the very heart of Las Vegas. The name of this creation is Mammoth. And the name says it all. Take a look at this motorcycle. It's built in a distinctly muscle bike style. Raw, powerful, aggressive. It doesn't ask for attention, it demands it. There's something voracious, predatory, almost beast-like about its appearance. And that's exactly why the name Mammoth fits it perfectly. It's a prehistoric beast brought back to life in metal and rubber. The first thing that catches your eye is the color. Bright orange. DD Designs used this color for the first time in their entire history. And they absolutely nailed it. On the road, this motorcycle is impossible to miss. It burns, it screams, it provokes. Orange is the color of danger, the color of warning, and it perfectly emphasizes the character of this beast. The silhouette of the Mammoth is a work of art in its own right. Wide bodywork, massive tires, and a low slung stance. Everything about it speaks of power. The front wheel is 200 mm wide. It sits on wide billet triple trees that give the front end incredible rigidity and an imposing visual presence. But the most impressive part is at the rear. There, you'll find a 360 mm wide wheel. 360. Almost like a racing machine, only more aggressive and much more brutal. And all of it is supported by a unique single-sided swing arm developed in-house by DD Designs. This isn't just an engineering solution, it's pure high-tech aesthetics. Now let's look lower. The suspension. This bike features DD Designs air suspension with remote control. What does that mean? You can change the ground clearance while riding. Press a button, and the motorcycle drops down toward the asphalt, becoming even lower and meaner. Release it, and it rises back up for a more comfortable ride. The front fork is equipped with progressive suspension progressive springs. They make the handling precise and predictable, even with wheels of this monstrous size. The exhaust system is handmade from stainless steel. Every weld, every curve, is crafted with surgical precision. And the sound. You won't mistake the sound of this exhaust for anything else. It's not just a roar, it's a growl. The growl of a wakened mammoth. The engine is completely blacked out. No chrome. No shine. Just a matte, sinister black that disappears into the shadows. It gives the motorcycle even more aggression. The brake rotors are custom as well. They don't just stop the bike, they also enhance the wheels with their distinctive geometry. Let's move on to the details. The handlebars are wide and custom made. They give you complete control over this beast and force you into a predatory, attack-ready riding position. The handlebar mounts are custom built as well. No mass-produced parts. The foot controls are completely blacked out, while the foot pegs feature a unique custom shape. The grips are custom made too, specially designed for this project so your hands won't slip under any conditions. The lighting is another story altogether. At the rear are Kellermann LED taillights. German quality that can be seen from a mile away. Up front are compact and bright LED turn signals. They don't spoil the design, they complement it, making the motorcycle look modern and technologically advanced. The bodywork is entirely handcrafted. The front fender comes from DD Designs, while the fuel tank is custom-made, with its shape created specifically for this project. And the paint. Remember that orange color? It has been applied with such depth that it almost looks like the paint is glowing from within. Everything is covered with a layer of clear coat that protects the finish and enhances every shade. The seat is custom-made from genuine leather, hand-stitched, with a perfect fit. It's not only beautiful, it's comfortable. On a seat like this, you can conquer mile after mile, feeling like you're becoming part of the beast itself. And finally, the little details that bring the whole picture together. a DD Designs license plate bracket, custom shock covers, and a signature clutch cover. Even these details are crafted with the same attention to detail as the rest of the motorcycle. The Mammoth by DD Designs is not just about riding. It's a very loud statement. It was created for those who aren't afraid to stand out. For those who choose power, character, and style. And when you see it on the road, you'll never forget it. Because Mammoths don't exist. But this one does.
Yeah. Pop in, burning like this, ain't checking my wrist. Third is my shift. Rolling all night like flex, we look at the clips, these credits are lit. Stacking miles, I'm far away from home, I got what I wished for. Taking that risk, I'm checking my list. Marathon man, it's run legit. Can't let it slip when it's all in my grip. Talking too much, he probably not it. All that I did, calls I missed, time I spent. Yeah, that's that blood, sweating my love. Checking that tug, out of the mud. Bro, probably get picked up like a truck. Winning the clutch, that is a must. Wake up, get to it, ain't nothing about it. The only way to it is to it, no way around it. Before that we cruising like the Caribbean with mileage. I'ma always be solid, I'm a young brother with knowledge. Go do the science, dog. Always I'm like a pilot, dog. Look at my eyes, I'm tired, dog. The time that it takes, I made for the space. Gotta build my empire, dog. I make sales, not a buyer, dog. You don't compare, he a liar, dog. Stack it up till it can't fold, I just did 10 in a row, I just did 10 in a row, I just did 10, gotta go, Stack it up till it can't fold, I just did 10 in a row, I just did 10 in a row, I just did 10, gotta go, 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 go. Get off your phone, can't sit at a green light. Look how that shine reflect like a ring light. This is my podium, talking to 3 mics. I'm not no Brennan, have made the team winning. If I said it, you know that I'm in it. They tryna live on the corner, I bend it. Can't take those chances, ain't talking about Bennett. When they too lazy, they talking like critics. Why you so mad? Go get a bag. I'm in the lab, I don't move the same. Off of the password, back in my lane. I cannot sit in one place like a stain. Sharing that paper like ripping the page. I'm gonna be the last one to remain. Walk with the nearest, I'm spitting that flame. Hop out the cycle like it ain't a thing. Doing them heels, we running up. Hotel bar after the gig. Something to sip and getting drunk. For the queso, baby, we gonna dip. Was on bad in them apartments. Started hitting the target. Started flooding the market. Started moving smarter until it runs about the garden. Stack it up till it can't fold, I just did 10 in a row, I just did 10 in a row, I just did 10, gotta go, Stack it up till it can't fold, I just did 10 in a row, I just did 10 in a row, I just did 10, gotta go, 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 go.
Thanks for watching.